Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. So mostly cloudy skies out there this morning with a few peaks of sunshine coming through. Do have some showers moving through the area to the north. Not expecting those to impact us this morning. But otherwise, a warm and humid day today with some summer-like pattern setting in. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we see the boundary that's lifted north of our area through yesterday and overnight has settled up to the north, bringing in some warmer air and some southerly flow. Otherwise, high pressure is weakly building into the area, but we do have some of those showers that are moving to the east, north of the area, and a warm and humid day ahead of us. If you take a look at the observation from this morning at 8 o'clock local time, we have a few clouds at 1,000 feet, scattered deck at 7,000 feet, broken deck at 14,000 feet, and a broken deck at 25,000 feet. Winds are out of the south at 5 knots, and temperature is at 75 degrees with relative humidity of 89%. Take a look at the current visible satellite as well as the composite radar. We can see those showers moving through just to our north. There are some showers off to the west that are coming across the mountains, but being torn apart a little bit as they come across the mountains. Otherwise, plenty of cloud material in the area with light to calm winds out of the south across the region. And we'll see those southerly winds continue as we go throughout the day today. Take a look at the short-term high-resolution model. This is the NAM 3-kilometer. Again, this showing some storms that were moving through the area early this morning. They pushing out to the east. Then we'll see things remain mostly dry. It will be a warm and humid day, so we do have a chance of that afternoon pop-up shower in the area or along the sea breeze front if it's able to get going today. So we do have some chances in our forecast, chance wording in the forecast for seeing those pop-up showers. Otherwise, as we move throughout the evening, we have another chance of some pop-up showers as we get into the after the midnight hour with a few indications of some pop-up activity, but nothing too significant expected at the time. As we get into our Tuesday, we'll have this MCS coming down the upper level ridge and diving into our area. A little disagreement in kind of where this settles into the region and the exact timing, but as you can see, expecting this to bring us some good chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we move into the late morning and afternoon for our Tuesday. It's making for a tricky temperature forecast for Tuesday. We could see, depending on the timing of the system, we could see temperatures get quite warm and muggy ahead of this system. Otherwise, we could, if this moves in a little earlier, it'll keep temperatures a little bit cooler. So we'll see how that plays out as we go throughout our day on Tuesday. Those showers and thunderstorms will linger around as we get into the evening Tuesday and should start to taper off into the overnight with still a chance of a few lingering showers moving into Wednesday morning. As we get into Wednesday, expecting a partly cloudy day and expecting dry, but again with this summer pattern, we do have a chance of maybe seeing a pop-up shower or two in the area. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather vision chart, you see green for the most part. Do have the yellow risk for precip and maybe lightning chances in the afternoon with that chance of maybe seeing a pop-up shower passing through. Expecting that probably just north of the area, but can't rule it out moving into the Wallops region. Otherwise, that other chance after the midnight hour till about 4 in the morning of seeing another chance of pop-up showers and maybe even some lightning with those as well. Warm day ahead of us, expecting a high in the mid-80s, and we could see a cool-off if we get the sea breeze going and help cool things down a little bit. But otherwise, southerly winds, 5 to 10 knots throughout much of the day, be mainly south to southwest as well, shifting back and forth as we move through the overnight hours, becoming light overnight out of the south 2 to 7 knots, and do have a slight chance to see some low clouds and maybe even some mist in the area as we start our Tuesday. Right now, tides are running at normal. Looking at the next couple of days, again, expecting that MCS to move into the area for our Tuesday. So we'll start off mostly cloudy, becoming overcast. Good chance of showers and thunderstorms moving in late morning and into the afternoon. SBC does have us under a risk for severe weather, so we do have a chance of seeing some strong storms, or a chance for some strong storms with some stronger wind gusts. Otherwise, a high of 84, again, that could be early in the morning, but it'll kind of depend on when that storm system starts to move through, whether it allows things to heat up ahead of it or not. So we do have the orange chance for precip and lightning with those showers and thunderstorms. Did put a yellow in for a wind advisory. If any of those storms become stronger, we could see some decent wind gusts associated with those, and we'll have a chance for those reduced ceilings and visibilities. Mostly cloudy with a chance of lingering showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday night with a chance of low clouds, and we should see that chance start to taper off as we get into early morning Wednesday, where we'll have a partly cloudy day with light onshore flow, which should help to keep temperatures a little bit cooler, but again, it's going to be a light wind, so we'll still allow things to heat up into the low 80s, and a low for Tuesday night will be 65, and again, we have that yellow chance of seeing those lingering showers and low clouds involved with lightning. That will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Have a nice morning.